Okay, Lindsay here. I am back with another video. If you're new, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified on when your girl here posts a new video. And if you're a fellow subscriber, welcome back, girl. Thank you for tuning in to your girl. Today I am bringing you this pink sultry summer cut crease with glitter. Know what you guys think? Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. It helps me out a whole lot. You have no idea. I'm not going to keep this intro long because, you know, we don't got time for that. But if you guys want to see how your girl got this pink sultry glittery cut crease, then keep on watching. First things first, I'm going to start off by moisturizing my face. I'm going to be using the Milk Makeup Moisturizer, which is a very thick moisturizer, very good for dry skin. And then after I moisturize my face, cannot forget about my lips. I'm going to moisturize my lips with the Fresh Beauty lip balm. For brows, let me know if you want a tutorial, okay? For priming my eyes, I'm going to go ahead and use this Anastasia Beverly Hills Eye Primer and the Crayon Case Concealer in shade 2. Bringing y'all closer. Going in with my Makeup by Yolondo Jamrock Matte Palette. I'm taking this light pink shade and I am blending that back and forth with a fluffy brush as my transitional shade. Going in with the Zulu palette by Juvias Place, I'm taking a deeper pink and I'm just putting that into my crease as my crease color. I'm using somewhat of a tapered blending brush, so if you have a tapered blending brush, it really packs that color in nicely. Going into the Matte Book palette by the Crayon Case, I'm taking a burgundy red shade and I am just deepening up my crease. Going back into the Zulu palette, I'm taking this orange shade and I'm buffing the edges of that first color that we laid down. Now to cut my crease, I use this Garnier Micellar Water first to carve it out before I use concealer, just so I can get that perfect shape. To cut my crease, I use my Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow primer mixed with one of my concealers. I think I use the e.l.f. Camouflage Concealer for this one. Back into the matte book, I'm taking that burgundy red shade and I am packing that onto my outer V area. Going into the Jamrock palette, I'm taking a white shade and placing it on my inner corner of the eye. And this is a highlighter by the Crayon Case. It's called Rosie Glowrez. And I'm using that as an eyeshadow on the rest of my eye space. I'm going in with the JLarue Cosmetics pigment in the shade White Gold. I'm going to go ahead and top that onto the matte white shadow. To line my eyes, I'm going to be using the Anastasia liquid eyeliner. This liner dries very, very matte and is very nice. I'm doing the floating liner trick, so you don't go all the way out. You blend out the edges with a black eyeshadow, and as you can see, I'm using a tight, dense brush, and I'm focusing that black strictly into my outer corner. Strictly into the outer corner. Now I went ahead and added this white liner, totally optional, but I just placed it on top of the black. Okay. I'm just showing you guys what the eye looks like before the glitter. Now for glitter, I'm going to use my Duo Lash Glue in clear as an adhesive. And for glitter, I'm using the Glow Up Academy glitter, chunky glitter, and Barbie Tingz, which is a bomb pink. Ooh, look at that. It's a nice chunky glitter. I use my finger to apply, and I use the brush to apply the finer pieces of the glitter. But the finger works perfectly fine for me placing this glitter. Now for eyelashes, I did off camera. I just used some beauty supply store lashes. Now for the face, I'm going to use my Milk Hydro Grip Primer, my Anastasia Beverly Hills Luminous Foundation in the shade 510 Warm. Foundation is so bomb. Now to highlight my face, I'm going to go ahead and use my Crayon Case Highlighting Concealer in the shade 15 and my e.l.f. Camo Concealer in the shade Deep Caramel, I believe. Everything will be listed down below in the description box, so please go read it so you'll be knowing what I use. But I'm going to go ahead and place that everywhere I want to highlight, and I'm going to blend that out with a beauty blender. Giving face. Next, I'm going to go ahead and set my face. I don't know why I was so happy, but I'm using the Crayon Case Chalk Dust Setting Powder in the shade Y. This is a matte powder and is a great setting powder because it doesn't leave any type of flashbacks and it's not chalky. Now, to contour my face, I'm using this Black Opal foundation stick in the shade Carob, and I'm blending it out with the Beauty Blender. Then to set it, I'm using my Watch Me Blush palette by the Crayon Case. I'm using the shade Hot Cocoa in that palette. It's like a warm brown color. Now to set the rest of my makeup, I use this foundation powder by Lancome. This is in the shade 540 Suede Warm. I'm just placing that everywhere I put my foundation. So I'm blending my highlight with my contour, underneath my contour, my forehead, everywhere. And this just gives me a nice smooth blurred finish. Back into the matte book palette, I'm taking that deep burgundy red and I am putting that on my lower lash line. And I did use a black shade. I did not show y'all to deepen up my lower lash line. Taking my Fenty Beauty mascara, I'm just going to go ahead and do my bottom lashes. I don't really like this mascara, but you know, it'll do for the lower lash. Gonna go ahead and use my highlighter. I'm using the Rosie Glowrez highlighter, the same that I put on my eyes. I am putting that onto my face, and I'm also gonna go ahead and put that right underneath my brow bone to give my brow bone a pop. Okay, a pop. Going into the Watch Me blush, I'm taking Strawberry Cream, which is like a shimmery pink color. I'm placing that onto my cheeks, and I'm blending it up into my highlight a little bit. And then for blush, I'm going to go ahead and take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio in the shade Berry Adore. I only use that middle shade, actually, and I'm just placing that on top of Strawberry Cream. Next, for lips, I'm going to line my lips with my favorite lip pencil. If you know, you know. It's a Sephora Rouge Gel Lip Liner in the shade Molasses. And then for lipstick, I'm going in with my NYX Lip Lingerie in the shade Corset. And I am blending that out with a brush to make it nice and smooth. And I do top this liquid lipstick off with my Huda Beauty matte lipstick in the shade Interview, which I did not show. And then I'm just relining my lips. And that's basically it. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look. I'm going to go ahead and close my eyes so you can see the finished product. Let me know what you think down below. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you have made it thus far. Hit the little notification bell so you'll be notified, please, and thank you. But yeah, check out my previous video. I'll link it right here in the cards up above. Until next video, bye.